Hello, hello. Robin here with Maskcara Beauty. I'm always going live, doing live tutorials for Facebook beauty bars. And I realized that I never really do an actual recorded tutorial. And I'm gonna be freshening up my YouTube channel a little bit and maybe doing this a little bit more often, even though it's more awkward than Facebook Live, and Facebook Live is kind of awkward for me, but whatever, that's neither here nor there. I have been a mascara beauty artist since November 2019, and the reason that's kind of cool is because I'm not like some beauty influencer, you know, whatever, superstar, and that's cool because the average bear can use this incredible, amazing makeup. And it is incredible and amazing, as we're about to find out. Typically what I would do in my Facebook beauty bars is I would do a traditional hack, highlight and contour routine. I'm trying to show you, trying to find a card so I can show you. Nope, that's eyes. All right, let's go to face. Traditional. It's all foundation, but it's just different colors applied to different areas of the skin, and it's cream. My dog. So it melts into your skin and moves with your skin instead of like traditional liquids and powders, which have a dry finish and don't move with your skin. But anyway, that's what this tutorial is going to be. This tutorial is going to be a mascara BB cream hack with a twist. So I'm going to pre-record another tutorial, which is the Mascara BB Cream Beauty Hack. But that's not going to be this, because I'm getting ready. I've got my swimsuit on to go out to the pool. So I'm going to use my Supergoop Glowscreen SPF 40 tinted sunscreen moisturizer with my mascara milk, which is a really rich moisturizer, and it's amazing, but you really want to use this at night. However, for the purposes of today's tutorial, we're going to use this. And then I'm going to use my Bella bronzer and my Glow Illuminator. Very dark colors, but important, because what we're going to be doing today is a BB cream like bronzer, self-tanner type situation. I don't know what else to call it. So, self-bronzer, self-glow, I have no idea. But anyway, so what I'm going to do first is take my sunscreen, and I'm going to put just a little bit on the back of my hand. Just a tiny bit. See that? Then I'm going to take my Milk Cream Moisturizer, and typically at night when you use this, it's one full pump. But for the purpose of this tutorial, and since we already have some, I'm going to do a half a pump. Okay. And I'm going to put that on my skin with the Supergoop Glowscreen Facial Sunscreen. And then I'm going to take these little, you could really use anything. I have these for sample testers. And I'm going to take just a tiny bit of Bella bronzer there. And I'm going to put that on the back of my hand. And then, if I can get it on, I'm going to take a tiny bit of the Glow Illuminator and put that on the back of my hand, maybe. I can't get it all. Okay, and then I'm going to stir it all in. And it's going to look pretty dark, much darker than a color that I would wear if I was doing just the straight up BB cream hack or my 3D foundation. Try to get the rest of this off. Okay, like it's seriously dark, but that's okay. I'm going to show you why. Oh, I'm so excited. This is actually my first time doing this. I saw another artist do it and I decided I had to do it. Okay, and I'm just gonna take, and it looks pretty dark, right? It's really, really dark. I'm gonna put it all over. It's okay that it's dark right now, and you'll see what I mean. Maybe put a little bit on my eye. I don't want to waste any of it. How many beauty influencers do you know will do that? Oh, look, I got a mustache. Okay, and then I'm going to take my blush bronzer brush. And just gently buff it. Took me long enough to say that, huh? Kind of stipple it as far as the eyes, but gently. See, you can see I'm not putting like any pressure, hardly any pressure at all. And look at that. I basically have that nice bronzy, beachy, poolside, shimmery look. Isn't that cool, you guys? I should have taken a before. Oh. You know what I'll do is I'll take this off later, and when I'm getting ready for bed, and that's it. That is it. Now I am ready and looking like a bronze goddess to go poolside. Pretty nifty, huh? So I am going to do another video with just the Milk Cream BB hack. This was just to show you how you could use Maskcara IIID Beauty to give yourself that sun-kissed look with protection. Okay, it looks like I got a load of sun, but I'm using SPF 40 facial sunscreen. So I didn't get any sun, but I look like I just got back from, I don't know, Greece, or I'm so frugal. I have to use it all. Oh, you guys, this is amazing. All right, I'm gonna grab an after selfie and share that. And then later on, when I take all this stuff off and do my nighttime routine, as far as skincare, I will do a before, and then I'll post side by side. Thank you for joining me.